In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a new REPL. Whether you're brand new to Replit or just need a quick refresher, we'll walk through the process clearly and make sure you know exactly what to expect along the way. First, open your browser and head to the Replit website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, sign up. It only takes a moment. You can use an email address or a supported sign-in option to get started. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace or dashboard. This is home base for all your projects, and it's where you'll create your new REPL. Next, look for the Create REPL button. Depending on your view, it's typically at the top left of the dashboard or near the center as a prominent button. Click that to start a fresh project. This opens a setup window where you'll choose your programming language and name your project. Now, select Java as the programming language. Replit supports many languages, so if you don't immediately see Java in the list, use the search bar to find it. Be sure to choose Java, not JavaScript, as they're entirely different languages. Selecting Java ensures Replit prepares the right environment, compiler, and project structure for you. If you see a template or version note for Java, the default is usually fine for beginners. With the language selected, give your REPL a descriptive name. A clear name makes it easier to find later, especially as your list of projects grows. Use simple, readable words and feel free to include hyphens or underscores instead of spaces if you prefer. If you're not sure what to call it, you can keep the default name and change it later. The name doesn't affect how your code runs. It's just for organization. When you're ready, click Create REPL. Replit will set up your new Java project and take you to the coding workspace. Here you'll see the file tree on the left, your main editor in the center, and the console or output panel on the right. In a Java template, you'll typically start with a file like main.java, already scaffolded so you can focus on writing code. If this is your first time, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. And that's it. You've created a new REPL in Java. From here, you're ready to start coding, add files, and build your project. Thanks for following along, and happy coding.